Good morning, Tony here at Johnson RV. It's a 2016 Leisure Travel Unity 24 TB twin bed model on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis, 3-liter turbo diesel, full length power awning, good amount of outside storage on this guy. There's a pass-through storage here. Also has a safe in here. Coming inside for 2016, this coach is in excellent condition. It's only got around 25,000 miles. Really nice looking interior. This leather, super soft. Mercedes chassis. Here's your entertainment area, some overhead storage. You also have a couple of jump seats here, mixed into another bed. There's a pedestal table mount there. Here's your countertop area with a countertop extension, 2-burner cooktop, nice modern round sink. You do have a pull-out TV here for the front. Driver and passenger seat do swivel around backwards. You have a pull-out pantry down here. Really nice location for the trash can right here. Over on this side, you've got the refrigerator and freezer. You've got your microwave up top. Coming back here, this does have a split bathroom. This side has the shower right here with the skylight, and this door can section off the rest of the coach too. And then on this side you have the commode, lots of leg room, nice little sink in here, some more storage, fantastic fan. And then back here, the split twin bed area that does convert into an RV king bed as well. Tons and tons of storage overhead. And then you do have a couple of closets back here also, one on both sides. Really nice build quality as you'd expect from Leisure Travel. Again, please let me or anybody else on the team know if we can help out with this coach or any others that we have in stock. Thanks. Have a great day.